Welcome. Today I am with Apple TV 4K and I will show you how you can change your username. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to go for users and accounts, pick your account, and when you scroll down you can find here edit username for Apple TV. So let's open it, and as you can see here we can easily make it. And if you finish, you can just simply click done to save the settings. And when you go back, you can see that our name has changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.